Looking back in times, marami tayong mga masasayang ala-ala nung mga bata. Kung dati pinoproblema natin is makatakas lang sa pagtulog sa tanghali kasi yung kalaro natin nasa labas. Alam ko, marami sa inyo ang nakaranas nito. Pero ngayon, nung tumatanda na tayo, mas malaking problema yung hinaharap natin. Hello guys! This is Mickey May Says, Podcast 02. So lahat naman tayo, no? Maan sa pagkabata natin. Everything seems so blurry nung bata tayo. Kasi wala pa tayong kamuang-muang, wala pa tayong alam sa realidad. Kasi mga bata pa lang tayo eh. Were to ask you, what would you like to ask on your younger self? Looking back at times, I wish I told my younger self that it's okay, you can pass through it. Be strong, try, make mistakes. I grow up, I realize it's okay to make mistakes. Looking back in times, marami tayong mga masasayang ala-ala nung mga bata. Kung dati pinoproblema natin is makatakas lang sa pagtulog sa tanghali kasi yung kalaro natin nasa labas. Alam ko, marami sa inyo ang nakaranas nito na kailangan matulog ka sa tanghali para makapaglaro ka. Pero ngayon, nung tumatanda na tayo, mas malaking problema yung hinaharap natin. Kaya, enjoyin nyo ang pagiging bata. Kasi, pag tumanda kayo, mas malaking problema na ang haharapin nyo at mas malaking responsibilidad ang haharapin ninyo. When we were young, we always used to play outside, used to play bahay-bahayan, tumbang preso, langit lupa. Looking back in time was fun before than now. Kasi ngayon, ang lawak na ng generation ngayon eh. Ang lawak ng nagagawa ng social media ngayon sa mga bata. Pag tumanda talaga kayo, hindi nyo na ma-enjoy ang buhay. I-enjoy nyo pa din naman. Pero may mas malaking problema lang kayong haharapin. Enjoy nyo pa din naman yung buhay. Pero malaking problema ang dadating sa inyo at kailangan nyong harapin. Lessons I wish I knew earlier. The lesson I wish I knew earlier is that it's okay to make mistake. Okay lang na magkamali ka basta matututo ka sa pagkakamali mo. It's okay to make mistake, but you have to learn from your mistake and don't run with it. I live with strict parents. Alam yan ng mga kaibigan ko. When I was young, I always used to cover up my mistake. I always lie to my parents. I was afraid because they might hurt me. At sila ganun kasi dinidisiplina nila ako. Hindi ako malinis. Aminado ako dun. Nagkamali ako. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nagkamali ako. Kailangan ko ng araw-araw sisihin yung sarili ko. So, if you made a mistake, it's okay to make a mistake. Just learn from it and forgive yourself and give yourself a chance to change yourself. Don't ever blame yourself to everything just because you made a mistake. If you were to talk to your younger self, I hope you tell it's okay to make mistake because eventually mistake that you made will teach you a lesson. Magkakamali ka, tanggapin mo yung pagkakamali mo. Sana natuto ka sa pagkakamali mo. Hindi pa huli ang lahat para baguhin yung sarili mo. Could change one thing, what would it be? One thing that I would change to myself, I would change na hindi ako takot. Kasi marami akong pinalagpas dahil sa takot ako. And I hope sa inyo, sana kung may babaguhin man kayo, sana simulan nyo na. Take the risk or lose the chance. Kung may babaguhin man kayo sa sarili nyo, ano yun? Sana kung may babaguhin kayo, sana nasimulan nyo na o simulan nyo na. And siguro yung pagbabagong yon ang magbabago sa buhay nyo. I grew up with fear. And right now, I must say that my fear is not stronger than my strength. My strength is stronger than my fear. If you could change one thing, sana simulan mo na or sana nasimulan mo na. And you have to embrace that change because that change might change your life or might change yourself to be better or to be the best. Or to talk to your younger self, what would you think to your younger self? You have to think that you're brave enough. You have to think yourself to be brave. You have to think yourself that you fight. You have to think yourself that you never give up. Think yourself for everything from the sacrifice and from the silent battles. You have to think yourself that you fight for your way and you fight a lot that no one else sees. Think yourself na hindi ka sumuko sa mga bagay na walang nakakaalam. Di ka sumuko sa mga silent battles. May mga point naman sa buhay na kailangan natin sisihin natin sarili natin, pero hindi naman dapat araw-araw, hindi naman dapat palagi. Don't live with regret in your life. Live with strength in your life. Live with opportunities in your life. Take the risk in your life. Don't live with regret, but live with lessons. So guys, thank you for listening to Mikis's Podcast 02. And I hope makinig ulit kayo sa next video ko. And sana marami kayong advice na nakuha and natutunan. And proud ako sa inyo guys. Thank you for supporting. Bye!